In tonight's health alert, a new whooping cough warning.
Yeah, last Thursday we told you about the new concerns from the CDC, and now those same concerns are hitting close to home.
Washtenaw County reporting 21 cases so far this year, and that's the most in our area. 16 cases in Oakland County, 8 in Wayne County, and 2 confirmed reports in Macomb County.
7 News Detroit reporter Tiara Braddock is talking to a concerned parent in Washtenaw County as we hear from health officials about this new warning.
21 cases of whooping cough has been reported in Washtenaw County in 2024. Health officials say this is the most cases they have seen in the past 3 years.
My kids are vaccinated and relatively healthy, but I do, think about, I have a friend with a newborn baby and they have older kids, so I do think a little bit about that in our public spaces.
Jill Kinsey is a mom of 2 who lives in Ann Arbor. She recently took her son to the doctor after he had a bad cough. Fortunately, he did not have whooping cough, but she learned that cases of it were on the rise in Washtenaw County. How relieved were you when you found out that your son didn't have whooping cough?
I was really relieved because I don't actually know, how long does it take to recover from that. And I was also glad because he's been around the community, so if he did, that could have affected a lot of people that we saw.
The current 21 whooping cough cases involve teens and young adults. So far, no one has been hospitalized. Laura Bauman with the Washtenaw County Health Department walked me through what some of the symptoms look like for whooping cough.
The first 3 or 4 days you just have, like a little bit of a cough and a runny nose, but then the difference is then as the cough tends to get stronger and starts coming in bursts. Some people, unfortunately, they vomit after coughing, or we've had people cough so hard they pass out.
Bauman says whooping cough is preventable with a vaccine.
So we have a good vaccine for pertussis, for whooping cough, and so, we absolutely recommend everybody gets up to date on their vaccine.
Bauman added that whooping cough is very dangerous to newborn babies.
We call it cocooning. There's actually a name for it, which is, where everyone who's around that new baby to make sure they're vaccinated. And we also recommend that pregnant women during every pregnancy, they get vaccinated against whooping cough, because then that'll give protection to that new baby for a number of months after the baby's born.
If you have been diagnosed with whooping cough, it's recommended that you stay away from people until you finish your antibiotics. Reporting in Ann Arbor, Tiara Braddock, 7 News Detroit.